Now this big boy is a 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD LTZ truck crew cab, 6.6 liters of V8, an Allison 1006 speed automatic with only 11,212 miles on this. This truck is a monster. Lots of room in the back. Of course, it's a 4x4. Has to be. Of course, the seats all fold up, allowing for extra storage space underneath. Nice storage back here for your passengers in the back, as well as cup holders. Full 360 sensors, driver assistance, much more cup holders here. State-of-the-art technology. If you are interested in this car, come on down to justbettercars.com and take this bad boy for a nice test drive.